Hey developers, ever wished Excel could talk to AI? Well, now it can. Introducing the MCP Server for Excel. It gives GitHub Copilot or any other coding agent Excel superpowers. Imagine asking Excel to generate a Power Query, optimize DAX code, generate Power Pivot, format a table, or automate an end-to-end workflow, just by typing a prompt. With MCP Server for Excel, Copilot can do all this with the coding agent and model of your choice. Imagine asking to optimize all my Power Queries, just like you do for Python or TypeScript code. 100% Excel compatibility. MCP Server for Excel uses Excel in headless mode, unlike other MCP servers that create static .xlsx files. Get started today with a one-click install from the Visual Studio Marketplace. Head to the link in the description, install, and supercharge your workflow. Thanks for watching. Now go and unleash your Excel superpowers.